This is Dan with Hydro-Chem Systems. This is an EPPS 3000 PSI, 3.9 gallon a minute, all electric heated hot water pressure washer. It's completely emissions free. It could be ran as a standard cold water or a hot water system. Great for the food industry. This one's actually going out to one of the food industry. And got the deluxe optional wheel kit, handle kit, and hooks. You can see it's got the belt driven electric commercial pump in here. Hard to see, I know. We also carry not only EPPS, we have Landa, Hydro-Tek, Pressure Pro, HES Pro Series, commercial and industrial grade pressure washer, variable frequency, which actually can run up to 5 guys off of one pressure washer at 20 gallons a minute, 20 gallons per minute total, or up to 5 guys at 4 gallons a minute. So these and any of your pressure cleaning needs, we have about 450 different model pressure washers. You can do mobile pressure cleaning systems on trailers. We also manufacture automated truck wash. We've been a chemical manufacturer and equipment distributor manufacturer for over 43 years. We also specialize in 2-step truck wash and 1-step truck wash or fleet washing systems. So for all your cleaning needs, contact Hydro-Chem Systems. Our website is hcsclean.com. That's hcsclean.com. Our email is sales@hcsclean.com. That's sales@hcsclean.com. And our phone number is 800-666-1992. That's 800-666-1992. Thank you. Give us a call.